So here I am playing a good old game of Street Fighter against Chun-Li. I'm Ken. So I'm kind of getting destroyed by the stupid front, and then I magically catch Chun-Li behind me. With that, and she gets hit by every single blow of it. I have never done that before, and it's very situational to have a character behind you in Street Fighter. Obviously, I win after this. Duh. But... wow. Let's just one more time. How much health did that do? How much health did that take away? That brought her down to half of her max health. Let's see, how do I win this? I barely freaking win this because it's stupid. Look at that. Look at that win. Look at